Still here? Let me answer some of the most common questions you might have about the pregnancy approach and how you can finally get pregnant in just 60 short days, even if your situation might feel hopeless now. I have been trying to get pregnant for over a year now and haven't gotten anywhere. Can I really use your method to get pregnant in just 60 days? The short answer is absolutely. Up until today, you probably have been taking a trial and error approach to getting pregnant. You might even have started thinking that it will one night all come down to dumb luck. Thinking like that is exactly the reason you are still not pregnant. Pregnancy approach leaves nothing to trial and error and lets you make your own luck, so to speak. This is a direct pregnancy blueprint laid out in a simple step-by-step system, fast-forwarding you directly to the pregnancy finish line. How is this different from anything else out there? The truth is, there's nothing else like pregnancy approach on the market. All you can really compare it against is your option to take fertility drugs or undergo in vitro fertilization. In this case, pregnancy approach should be thought of as the method to use first, before trying any other. This is an all-natural solution that allows you to take getting pregnant into your own hands. Absolutely no drugs and no expensive surgeries. I don't have a lot of free time. Can I use the pregnancy approach? Absolutely. And as a matter of fact, pregnancy approach was specifically designed with busy couples in mind. My method will effortlessly blend in with your lifestyle as it's all about making small changes to your already established daily routine. I've had a miscarriage in the past. Is the pregnancy approach safe for me? I know how hard that must have been for you, and how scary it must be trying again. Now, with that said, completely toss your fears aside, as pregnancy approach helps you completely avoid miscarriages by seriously reducing the risk you will ever have another one. Will this method work if I'm in my 40s or even 50s? While some might tell you that you're too old to naturally conceive a baby, that couldn't be further from the truth. The fact is, nearly every other day, an email is delivered to my inbox with the subject, "I'm 40-something and pregnant." Still need more proof this method works for women in their 40s and 50s? I'd like to introduce you to the true story of a woman named Vera from Kiev in the Ukraine. Vera had raised her son properly right up until the age of 20. Where soon after, he tragically lost his life. Determined to have a child in her life again, she later gave birth to 2 twin boys, who sadly both passed away just 10 days later from complications. While most women could not bear the loss of any more children, Vera decided to try again just one more time. This time at the age of 57. 9 months later, on June 13th, 2008, Vera gave birth to a beautiful baby boy named Andre, and is alive and well today. At 57, Vera conceived her baby boy 100% naturally, without any assistance from drugs or doctors whatsoever. And while you might be thinking that Vera must be the one exception to the rule, know that stories like hers come pouring in each year. It's more than possible to naturally have a child naturally later in life. If the pregnancy approach works so well, why isn't everyone using it? Truth be told, thousands are already using this approach each month. It's my honest opinion that as word spreads about pregnancy approach, the real question will become who isn't using it. Who shouldn't use pregnancy approach? Anyone with the will and desire to get pregnant naturally should make this their first option if they've been experiencing difficulties over the past few months or even the past year. Even if you're well into your 40s, you should seriously consider first using pregnancy approach before any other method. That being said, I came up with this simple checklist. If any of the following 3 items appeal to you, then you definitely should not invest in my method. You think risky drugs are the answer. You believe that invasive surgery is the solution. You have thousands to burn on methods that don't guarantee results. Obviously, I'm kidding around here, but I hope that makes the point. How do I know I can trust your guarantee? We have been online for years now and have helped thousands of couples. Our pregnancy guarantee is very straightforward. Have a positive test by the 60th day or you don't pay. No questions asked. I don't think I would have one of the fastest growing solutions if I wasn't honoring my word. I think you'll be pleased to know my guide comes along with my personal email address, and if you ever have any questions or need guidance, I personally reply typically within just an hour or two. Now all you need to do is try out the pregnancy approach and discover how easy it is to stop infertility issues and actually work to correct them in little to no time at all. Feel confident in your decision to invest in this method, knowing that it has successfully worked for thousands of couples before you. And after it has helped you hold a positive pregnancy test in your hand, it will continue on to help thousands of couples after you. Follow your heart. Invest just $47 and 60 days for a solution that's been proven to work. Just click the orange Add to Cart button below. Place your order on the secure order page, and you'll get instant access to the pregnancy approach right this instant. No waiting 2 weeks for shipping or paying some ridiculous handling charge. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Just email me. Click the orange Add to Cart button below.